Planning a trip? Don't let packing your essential medications add stress. Many travelers simply toss their pills in a bag, only to face unexpected delays or issues at security or customs. This guide is here to help you navigate the rules and ensure your journey is smooth and worry-free. Imagine this. You're at airport security, and your bag gets flagged because of your medication. Or worse, you arrive in a new country, and customs questions your essential pills. These moments can be incredibly stressful and disrupt your travel plans. Understanding the rules before you leave is key. This isn't just about avoiding hassle. It's about ensuring you have access to the medication you need throughout your trip. Let's make sure your travel with meds is seamless. For any flight, the golden rule for medications is simple. Keep them in your personal item. This is the bag that stays with you at your feet like a backpack or tote. Never pack essential meds in your checked luggage. Checked bags can be delayed, lost, or gate-checked unexpectedly. If your medication is in there, you lose access until your bag is returned. Keeping it in your personal item means it's always within reach, no matter what happens with your other luggage. When flying within the US, TSA rules for medication are quite flexible. You generally don't need to keep pills in their original prescription bottles. Using a pill organizer or unmarked container is usually fine for domestic travel. For liquid medications over the standard 3.4 ounces, you can bring them. Just be sure to declare them to the TSA officer. TSA's primary focus is security, not verifying your prescription details for domestic flights. Flying into the US is a different story. Here, you'll deal with Customs and Border Protection, CBP, who enforce FDA and import laws. They can question medications, especially if they aren't clearly labeled or prescribed by a US doctor. To avoid issues, it's highly recommended to keep prescription medications in their original containers when traveling internationally. The label helps CBP verify what the medication is and who it belongs to. This simple step can prevent significant delays or confiscation upon arrival. You might think your everyday cold medicine is fine anywhere, but that's not always true. Many common over-the-counter ingredients, like pseudoephedrine, are restricted or banned in other countries. Always research the rules for your specific destination. Even if a medication is allowed, countries often limit the quantity you can bring. Typically, this is a 30 to 90-day supply. Keeping OTC meds in their original packaging with clear labeling is also a smart move for international travel. TSA makes exceptions for liquid medications over the 3.4-ounce limit in your carry-on. This includes cough syrup, saline solution, or prescription liquids. You are absolutely allowed to bring these essential items. To make screening easier, pack all your medical liquids together in a clear, separate bag. This allows officers to inspect them quickly without you having to dig through your personal item. If your medication needs to stay cold, gel or ice packs are also permitted when used for this purpose. Just inform the officer. If you travel with medical equipment like a CPAP machine, insulin pump, or syringes, rest assured you can bring them. TSA allows most medical devices in your carry-on. Syringes are permitted when accompanied by the associated medication, like insulin. Pack devices and equipment cleanly and make them easily accessible for inspection. While you can pack some in checked luggage, keeping fragile or essential items in your carry-on is safer. This ensures you have them even if your checked bag is delayed. Medical devices worn on your body, like insulin pumps or continuous glucose monitors, CGMs, or internal metal implants, can trigger airport scanners. This is normal and expected. Simply inform the TSA officer before you go through screening. You can request alternative screening methods like a pat-down instead of a full-body scanner if your device is sensitive. TSA agents are trained for this. Having a doctor's note or device card isn't required, but can be helpful, especially when traveling internationally. Here's a crucial travel tip. Leave CBD and marijuana products at home when flying, especially internationally. Despite changing laws in some places, federal law in the US still prohibits marijuana, including medical forms, at airports. TSA must report findings. Internationally, rules vary wildly and can be very strict, even for trace amounts of THC in CBD products. Don't risk confiscation, fines, or worse. It's simply not worth jeopardizing your trip. Travel plans can change unexpectedly due to delays or cancellations. A helpful tip is to pack a few extra doses of your essential medications beyond your planned trip duration. This small buffer can be a lifesaver if you're stranded longer than anticipated. Also, research if your medication is available at your destination. Some common prescriptions in your home country might be hard to find or require a local prescription abroad. Carry a list of your medications, including names, dosages, and doctor contact info, in case you need to explain them or seek a refill. TSA offers resources to make traveling with medical needs smoother. TSA Cares provides assistance at the checkpoint if you call 72 hours ahead. Ask TSA on social media can answer specific questions about what you can bring. You can also print a TSA notification card to discreetly inform officers about your medical condition or devices. For frequent travelers, TSA PreCheck can speed up the process, allowing you to keep most items, including your medication bag, in your carry-on. Even with careful planning, security screening with medications or medical devices can take extra time. Procedures vary between airports and even officers. Give yourself a generous buffer and arrive early for your flight. Being prepared and allowing extra time reduces stress for everyone. It ensures you won't miss your flight while an officer takes a necessary second look at your essential items. Your peace of mind is worth the extra minutes. Traveling with medication doesn't have to be complicated if you know the rules and plan accordingly. By keeping meds accessible, understanding TSA and customs requirements, researching destination rules, and utilizing available resources, you can ensure your health needs are met without travel disruptions. Ready to travel with confidence? Take these steps to prepare your medications for your next trip. Share this guide with fellow travelers who might find it helpful. If you have a question or a personal experience to share, drop it in the comments below. Your insights help others. Like and subscribe for more practical travel tips. Safe travels. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more travel hacks every week. Before you go, check out this video where I break down more packing secrets to make your next trip stress-free. See you in the next one.